To add your food stamp card to the Sam's Club app, start by opening the app on your mobile device. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, sign in to your account using your username and password. If you are not a member, you will need to create an account. After signing in, navigate to the Payment Options section. This is usually found under the Account Settings or Wallet section. Look for the option to add a new payment method and select it. You will then be prompted to choose the type of payment method you want to add. Select the option for EBT or food stamp card. You will then be asked to enter your EBT card information, including the card number and expiration date. Make sure to enter this information correctly, as incorrect information may prevent you from adding your card. You may also be asked to provide your zip code or other identifying information. Once you have entered your EBT card information, review the terms and conditions of using your EBT card with the Sam's Club app. If you agree to the terms, select the option to add your card. Your card will then be linked to your Sam's Club account and you can use it to make purchases through the app. To use your EBT card to make a purchase, navigate to the shopping cart section of the app and select the items you want to buy. When you are ready to check out, select the EBT card as your payment method. You will then be prompted to enter your PIN to complete the transaction. It is important to note that not all items are eligible for purchase with an EBT card. So make sure to check the eligibility of the items in your cart before checkout. Additionally, some states may have specific rules or restrictions on using EBT cards for online purchases. So it is a good idea to check with your state's EBT program for more information. By following these steps, you can easily add your food stamp card to the Sam's Club app and start making purchases online. This can be a convenient and time-saving way to shop for groceries and other essentials, and can help you make the most of your EBT benefits.